Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? So today I'm going to share with you how to repot and how to care for this beautiful Easter lilies that was given to me by my friend. I have here regular potting mix and pot with holes. I waited until they're done blooming before repotting. So after enjoying their blooms, here it is after a month. I'm going to repot this. This is a store-bought, grocery store-bought Easter lilies. And here it is, first time blooming after 5 months. And as you can see, there are a lot of babies too. This dry stem that you see was the mother plant that I repotted. Then this produced more buds, propagating more before it died. So I'm just going to cut this because this is taking some nutrients that the other healthy buds need. I noticed a lot of pests. So what I'm going to do is to use a hose to wash this off with water. Then next day, tomorrow, I'm going to spray this with alcohol. And now I'm gonna water this plant, and at the same time I'm going to rinse off the pest with water. And so here it is after a day, and now I am spraying this with alcohol. Just check the link in my description below if you want to learn how to use alcohol as pest control. Just make sure to place your plants in bright shaded area while treating it with alcohol every day, making sure not to burn the leaves. Here it is the following day after spraying the alcohol. So looking good so far. I don't see much of the pest. I'll just keep on spraying every day until I don't notice one anymore. Easter lily is dormant in fall and winter, and this plant should be placed indoors when it's snowing. And also, this should be in bright shaded area when there's too much rain to avoid root rot. And when temperature is above 70, this should also be in shaded area. The ideal temperature for this plant is 60 to 65 degrees, and the best time to fertilize is when they're actively growing around spring and summer. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing for more gardening tips.